there! My IB40 shopping spree continues! And this time I remembered my scissor. Let's begin. We're just gonna rip them again. Oh, with the bag again. Isn't that lovely? Okay, everyone's gonna love this. You better. If you don't, you have bad taste. It says festival. Isn't that fabulous? And it snaps in the crotch. But you know what I always wanted to invent is the G-string one, and now I saw that somebody else did. So everybody, when you think you have an invention, someone else is already on it. The Ralph Lauren's! Okay, blue and white stripes, immaculate, absolutely beautiful. Okay, this is the big one. This is the big one. Are we ready? This is for the husband. Oh my God, it's gonna be like, I didn't know you wanted to date your grandfather. What is it? I think it's classic. I think it's wonderful. And you know, he started wearing glasses because he's old too. So, you know, mornings reading the paper. It's a Baby Boom line. A line from Baby Boom. That's a Diane Keaton movie for those of you kids that watch me and don't know what the hell I'm talking about. That's from the movie Baby Boom. That's not original. Look at these fabulous beauties, huh? Huh? Practical? Practical for 40. Can't wear Daisy Dukes anymore. Do you get that reference, millennials? Daisy Dukes are the tiny little booty shorts that like show your whole vajayjay, basically. Sometimes lined with lace. Isn't that precious? Okay, off the shoulder. Isn't that incredible? If you saw like the white scallop shorts I have, yay, okay. This is like so much fun. Even if you can't go shopping, it feels like you're going shopping with me. I love it. I'm a new mom. I don't have time to go to the store. You should see the look on my face when people ask me, do you want to go shopping sometime? Like maybe get a sitter? Isn't that great? I guess I'm into off the shoulder. Okay? Isn't that fabulous? Again, I saw something similar to this on like The Real Housewives. I think Tamara was wearing it. I said, oh my God, I need this, okay? Like, and so I just like entered it in the search, but you could just go to the Poshmark section and just go off the shoulder, bell sleeve, blouse. That's a word I don't like, blouse. It's a blouse. And it popped right up. It's a blouse. And this is like, we call it God pink. I don't know. It's that beigey champagne pink, that rose gold kind of rose gold. Isn't that great? Isn't that great? Okay, next and last for today. Okay, I'm just not gonna use these, okay? I'm not gonna use them. Okay. Oh, wow! Let's talk about the velour tracksuit! Do you remember you couldn't go into a single Target in the late 90s and like the early 2000s without seeing a velour matching tracksuit? Juicy started it, I think. New York and Company had one. And it's like this wine grape velour. And oh my God, please tell me the size is right. Oh my God, the size is right. Oh my God, the size is right. And look at those beautiful. Oh, isn't that fabulous? Oh my God. So yeah, again, I thought I was gonna go so far, guys, as to going to an embroidering company and having my own made and like putting my own fun logo on there on this part and maybe on the butt and just like doing a thing because I wanted to keep it alive. My sweet Gen Xers. Okay? Tell your daughters that wide leg is okay. It's not a sin. Do you hear me, millennials? This is decent. This is not a skinny pant. Not everything has to be a skinny pant. Let's just talk about the garment itself. Isn't that great? Do I need to say more about this? With white pants. Oh my God, right? Am I right? So versatile. Oh, I got a surprise. Look, oh. She gave me like, it's not what I thought it was, which is nice. Oh, so you put your makeup in here. I need that. I need that right now because look what I do. Isn't this pathetic? Thank you, lady. How'd you know? That has been my Poshmark haul unboxing again, and don't worry, I didn't stop there.